my ninth. All right. Welcome to RDR Sports Cards, everybody. It is Sunday, September 20th. I was only going to say like the 14th. We are here doing a personal break for Mr. Cross.
Yep.
And we have one box of 2015 Topps Triple Thread Baseball. I'm going to go ahead and get started. Lots of packaging to go through.
Yeah. Are we looking for something in particular?
I did not. Number 1. Number 2. All right. Good luck. Good luck.
Had a Babe Ruth parallel in one of my.
You did. All right. First up, we have Wade Boggs, Tampa Bay Devil Rays. I'm trying to get it to focus.
There it is.
Miss Boggs.
Face.
Next up, one of our personal daily fantasy favorites, Mr. Edwin Encarnacion. Encarnacion.
One of the big bats on that Toronto Blue Jays.
Yeah. We find the Blue Jays in our daily fantasy a lot. All right, next up, another daily fantasy favorite, David Peralta for the Arizona Diamondbacks. We can put together our daily fantasy team with this little pack of cards here. So next up, we have a Mike Piazza for the New York Mets. Mr. Piazza's number 37 out of 50.
It's nice. It's that one sleeved up.
And next we have a Rod Carew, a little throwback. He is numbered 49 out of 354.
Okay.
Okay, and our first auto is Zach Wheeler for the New York Mets, numbered 38 out of 99. Mr. Wheeler. Oh, this is a nice one. Miguel Cabrera, 1 out of 9.
Wow.
Miguel Cabrera. Top of the charts.
Top of the charts.
Nice
Nice hit.
Nice little patch there. I don't know if it'll come off on there. You can see the kind of shimmery in between the pinstripes.
Wow. 1 out of. Wow.
He makes it into the daily fantasy occasionally.
Yeah, he was herping. Wow. Sweet.
A little Miguel Cabrera. Next pack. That was a good one.
Super sweet.
I like those low numbered hits. Looking for a couple more low numbered hits. All right. Next up, another favorite, Jose Abreu for the Chicago White Sox. Gregory Polanco for the Pittsburgh Pirates. This is just a daily fantasy smorgasbord here. Paul Goldschmidt for the Arizona Diamondbacks. I can put together a decent team with these base cards. All right.
That'd be kind of fun. You open them up.
I know, right? And that's your lineup
That's
for the
your
day.
lineup for the day.
Jackie Robinson
Wow.
for the Brooklyn Dodgers. This is numbered 7 out of 250. Let's see if we can get it close. Get it to focus. It's so shiny. They're like, all right, enough with the crotch level focus. All right, and Evan Longoria for the Tampa Bay Rays, numbered 64 out of 354. We were lucky. We were able to go see the Rays. I mean, did we see?
Yeah, we saw the Rays.
Okay, yeah.
So Jasso and Longoria.
All right, and our auto is another Zach Wheeler.
Wow.
This one's numbered 58 out of 99. P45. Zach Wheeler for the New York Mets.
Nice.
And here's a nice little low numbered Materials, Jason Hayward.
Wow.
Jason Hayward for the St. Louis Cardinals. Come on, focus.
He usually wears that helmet.
15 out of 18. Jason Hayward.
He usually has that weird helmet. Oh yeah, there it is. You can see it.
Yeah, he's got the extra jaw protection. He's got $1 million jaw.
Yeah.
He's got to protect it.
Nice.
What a nice little box. So you got your duo of Zach Wheeler. Both material autos. Future Phenom. I just noticed it says Future Phenom over here. Very, very hard to cook that up. Future Phenom Zach Wheeler. And then our Miguel Cabrera, 1 out of 9. Top of the chart.
They were really nice.
I like the foil.
Yeah.
But is it an acetate covered foil or is it just plain foil? I think it's a little covered.
You are welcome. Thank you. I'll get this break posted as well to YouTube, and then you'll have that as well. Thank you so much.